To start the MPC test, we need to do a filter patch, and we use a photospectrometer for ASTM 7843 to calculate the MPC value. And that is combining 3 different color values of that patch to have an overall varnish potential indication. When we see an amber-brown patch, that is a normal occurrence. This is a sign of normal chemical breakdown that's going on in the lubricant, which leaves these color bodies and varnish precursors in the lubricant. So when we measure the A and the B values of the MPC test, that is a sign of varnish potential. When we see darker patches or black patches, that's not varnish potential, that is carbon. And whenever you expose a lubricant to extreme temperatures, you can get thermal breakdown. And this would basically destroy the molecule and produce carbon. Now, when we have carbon on a patch, that is not a sign of varnish potential, that's a sign of thermal breakdown. So it's often misreported as varnish potential, but you would have to remove the carbon first so that you could see what the amber-brown color of the patch would be and get the values from the MPC test to see if that's a varnish problem or just a high temperature breakdown problem. Fundamentally, there are 2 different forms of contamination. Varnish, which is represented by the amber-brown color in the patch, is a dissolved impurity. Because it's a dissolved impurity, a particulate removal device would have no impact on it. So we would use ICB to address the amber-brown patch color, and that would be most often the case, 99% of the case, in a gas or steam turbine lubricant. When we do see a carbon value on the patch denoted by a high L value in the MPC, which is the driving factor behind the value, that is a solid contaminant. Carbon contamination is around 0.01 microns in size, and you're not going to remove it with a standard particulate filter. We use electrostatic oil cleaners, which remove contamination, solid contamination, according to their mass rather than their physical size, and that lets us get around this theoretical limit that's inherent in mechanical filtration. So amber brown, most often R&O lubricants would be ICB, and when you see carbon present from a black patch or a very dark patch, you would have to use an electrostatic cleaner or some other particulate removal device to address that.